Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a good treat for you guys. This is my personal vehicle, and this is a 2015 Mustang GT 5.0. It has a 5.0 liter V8 and it has a 6-speed manual transmission. Here's the keys right here on my Mustang. It's unlocked it. And you can see that the DRL. It has this kind of classic, the classic 1969 Mustang fastback. It's the same kind of head design, and also have a fog light. And you can see the Mustang emblem, and the bumper has like the grill has like the honeycomb design grill, and also have a honeycomb design lower grill also. That's for your radiator, and this is for your AC. And it's also have a functional. This is a functional vents for your engine. And the wheel is running on a. This is a 255 40 19s and rapid Pirelli P0 Neros all season. And you can see the 5.0 badge. It has like the nice fastback silhouette in it. And it has some mirrors right here. They have indicators in it. And the wiper has the banana type wipers. And this is the capless gas cap. So no more cap, just put the gas in, that's it, good to go. Go the rear of the 5.0 Mustang, and it has a third brake light on the top, and it has sequential turn signals, and you got dual exhaust, and it has also a reverse light in the middle and a diffuser on the rear. The Mustang has a nice muscular rear on the fender on the rear. It has a muscular design. Check the interior of the car. Getting in the car, here's your fob. There's lock. Here's your fob right here. Put in your pocket and just grab the door handle. Just open. If you want to lock it, just touch the jagged edge right here. Have the ignition, and then it will lock the car. If you open again, just open the thing again and lock it. All right, let's go to the interior. And this is the interior of the Mustang GT Premium. It has the red leather. It's also called the race red. This is the optional color on the Mustang. Usually black. And it's also the doors right here. Let's go to the doors. This is the doors right here. This is one of my favorite one. Has this indicator light. Usually like to go up and down like a stick. It's like a rod. So it has red leather, and also this is your chrome. It has LED in it. No, it's in blue. It's unlock and lock button, and it has some chrome too. And this is your all power windows, and this is your your side mirror controls and some speaker, and this is your Mustang door seal right here. This is also lit up at night, and this is your sports pedals, and this is your light control. It's like a dial type. This auto, and this is your fog lights, and this is your dim and dim for your cluster. Let's go to the car. There's 3 vents. If you get the track pack edition one, you get a like a tack on here for like your water and your vacuum. And this is one of my favorite part of the Mustang too. Like he has a push start. This is your hazard, like a toggle, and this is your what's it called, traction control, and steering control. It can be a soft, sport, and it's your drive mode. And this is your entertainment system. I really like it. It's nice and has controlled by sync, but it's really nice. I like it. This tool is very simple, and it's very has a nice touch in it too, compared to other screens I've been to cart into. So it has that Mustang since 1964, and then this is your glove box. And I like this car too. It has black headliner, and this is easy to clean. So it's one of my favorite things of this Mustang, because it has black interior and black headliner. Because I don't like any mess. This is your this has a mic here, and this is your for your lights, and some mirror. Always just frameless, be nice. And this is also your home garage, and you have also a light. Also the passenger too. All right, let's go start the car. Of course, if you get the Mustang, you need a 6-speed, not automatic. And there's also like the LED cup holders in it too. This is your center console. You can also put your USB right here, an aux cable, and SD card, and your lighter too. Also, you also have a lighter here too. Lighter. Okay. And this is the steering wheel. How you have the Mustang badge right here, and this is your volume control, and this is your control for your screen, and you have your this is for your cruise control, and this is for your phone and everything. All right, and also this is cluster too. So let's go start the car. Make sure put the car on neutral and press the clutch. You can start the engine and start it. Engine on. Alright, so this is your info. You can go to different modes, and I will show you the different modes of this car. So it has normal mode, sport plus, track, and wet, snow and wet. So snow and wet, it will decrease your horsepower in your car, so you won't slip on the rain or snow. And go back to normal, track, sport, and track. Okay. And this is the back seat right here. There's a knob right here to take it out. Oh, just fold it up. And it's the back seat right here too. It's also red interior. And the car will like make a noise because the key is left the vehicle. Let's check the trunk. And the Mustang, if you go to the trunk manually, there's a button right here. That one, let's raise it up. The Mustang has a lot of space. You can also fold the seats too if you need more space. That's the good thing I like about the Mustang. It has more space on the trunk than the other muscle car in the market. So the thing folds, so you can put more stuff in it. If you see here, it's like a person running. You can get out of the car. All right, let's check the engine on the 2015 Mustang GT. All right, so this is the engine. Sorry, it's kind of messy. So I didn't clean the engine. So this is the 5.0 liter V8. It's also called the Coyote engine. And it's also like have the functional air vents. And I also installed this Shelby GTH cover, and I also installed a GLT oil catch can. This is all for your power steering. I also installed a GTH too, power steering. Oh no, this is the brake fluid. So the engine needs to be clean. All right, let's do an exhaust sound on the Mustang. Do an exhaust sound, how it sounds. Let's do another walk around on the 2015 Mustang GT Premium. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the flip side.